Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Digital Amit. Today we are going to discuss about landing page and how to create a landing page. Whenever you search any advertisement and click on the link, you land on a page that's called landing page. See, it is giving some details about project and asking your details. A project video running in the background. This page will show only specific project information. This is a perfect landing page, and today we are going to discuss more about landing page, why businesses use landing page and how it is different from website, and how can you create the landing page if you are a beginner. Let's start the video and watch the video till the end if you actually want to learn something new today. See, this is a landing page. No more content, no more information, only about property. It has a catchy headline, investment details, inquiry form, project advantages, location benefit, features and the inquiry form. This is the structure of landing page. You should have proper headline and a subheading which connect with your heading, and some key features you should also add here. Means they should be unique and attract to the customer, like location, clubhouse and world-class amenities. Then add catchy image of project. You can also use video if you have. Then CTA means call to action. If user show some interest in your project, then he can fill the form to get more information. Then you will receive a lead. Also mention trust message here. Then add some amenities or pics about project. If you have testimonial, then also add them. You had also seen there, if you register for any course or event, then you get this type of landing page. After fill the inquiry form, client will receive this message. That's why business use landing page, and it is different from website because it is a single page, and a website has multiple pages, multiple options. Then a client get confused when it will land at your website. So whenever you run any ad, then you should try to make landing page, because client will get the same information. He has click on the link. If you use the website in your ads, then client will get definitely confused and leave your website without taking any action. So whenever you try to run any ad, then use only landing page. Now the question is, how you can create landing page? You can use WordPress, Hostinger website builder, Google AI Studio, Cloud AI and ChatGPT to create your landing page. Let's create it today with the help of Google AI Studio. Open the website and click on build option in left sidebar. Then enter the landing page details here. I have already created this prompt with the help of ChatGPT. Now paste here. Now it will take few minutes to create your landing page. Just wait. See, it is looking perfect page. But we don't want to keep pricing section here. We can discuss it over the call or in the meeting.
If you are still watching, please like the video and subscribe the channel.
So give a command here to remove the price section and add something more. Then see, it is updating your page. It will take few more minutes to update. See, the page is implemented. Now it's time to deploy your website at Hostinger. Now click on Settings. Then click on GitHub. Then enter your repository name here. Then click on Create Repository. Now your code will save at GitHub and we will download it from there. Then click on Stage and submit all changes. One more thing, you should also have GitHub account. To create repository and download your code. After login in GitHub, your repository will be there. Just click on it. Now click here and download zip file. Now save this file in any drive. Now open command prompt. Now change the drive here wherever you keep the folder. Then type cd space folder name. Then type npm install. Then it will take few minutes. After complete the process, then type here npm space run, then build. Now check the folder, you will get a dist folder there. Now this HTML file and the asset folder will upload at your hosting server. Now you should have Hostinger account. If you have, then log in there. Otherwise, I have mentioned the link in description box. Click there and book your hosting. And you will also get free domain with the hosting. After login into Hostinger account, click on website, then all websites, then click on add website, then choose custom PHP HTML. Then type your domain name here. Click on next. Then it will take few minutes to set up your account. See, this is the dashboard of your website. Now click on File Manager. Then click on Public HTML. Now delete this file. Now click on Upload icon. Then upload the HTML file, then folder one by one. Now see, your landing page is live. If you face any issue to complete this process, then mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you friends. Hope you get something helpful in this video. Please support my channel. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more informative tips about digital marketing and all. Thank you.